Hey guys, it's Jada from the Gigi Shop once again. I have a tutorial. Actually, I have a solution. It's not even a tutorial, I guess. I have been dealing with problems on using Canva frames because every time I was attaching the pattern to a Canva frame, I found out that there was no way to, place the pattern the way I wanted. So I have a solution for this and I want to show you. Keep watching. Now I have choose this circular frame from the Canva library because it's easy and you guys can see it clearly from your okay, let's pretend I want to apply this watermelon design into the Canva frame. Voila, I have the watermelon inside the Canva frame. But what if, for example, I don't like the placement, like having this little triangle peeking out. I don't want this to be visible because I don't like it. I don't like this like peeking out. Well, I can double click inside the frame and this will appear. This window is called Smart Crop. Well, it does almost nothing. You can enlarge the design as much as you want. You can make it 10,000 times bigger and click done and you have this. What if I want the watermelon to be smaller than this? Let's see what happens. Double click once again. I try to shrink my design. I want to fit more elements, more watermelons into my circular frame, but Canva will not let me. So how can we try for a solution? Let me show. There's only one solution, and the solution is create a new canvas, go to custom size and go for 3000 pixels for 3000 pixels and create a new design. All right, it will automatically open for you. Let's pick our watermelon design and let's place it correctly from the upper left corner and let's make squares until we fit the whole white areas around. Now it will not be perfect, but you can group the element. All right, and Canva has these sensible guides called guides, automatic guides or something, and they will help you to match them seamlessly. Now you may notice that some gaps could appear. Do you guys see that? But if you download it, you should not have these gaps, these lines, white lines of gaps. Now, once you have your bigger canvas with your seamless, go for share and download it, okay? Right, here I have it. Let's go back to Canva. Let's go back to, let's go back to our old design where we had the circular frame. Just upload this new bigger pattern into your library. Now we select again our big circle frame and now we have a bigger pattern we can apply and voila, you have a scalable pattern done the way you want. All right, this is the only solution I have found to fit a smaller design into a frame. Otherwise, everything I was doing was huge. Like the designs into my frames looked enormous and I didn't like it. Also, there were strange portion of the design picking out and I don't want that. I want to be able to decide where I want to put my pattern. Canva, please, if you can fix these features, that would be really worth my 12 monthly fee. Thanks. All right. I hope everything was quite easy to understand. If you have questions, leave a comment. Bye.